So the new Rocky Taki GMRS version just got released, and I had to buy this one. It doesn't matter that I've known about it for a year and a half, but I guess I don't put out enough videos for Rocky Taki to actually notice me. Boo. Anyways, let's pretend I'm like every other reviewing shill out there and got one for free, even though I had to pay for this. And then let's give the fake surprise to realize that, oh my goodness, there's a radio in the box. What in the world is this? Seriously though, I have pulled this out and there are a few things I like and a few things that I'm scratching my head on. Start with the likes. I like it has a removable antenna. That is a really cool feature. It gives you the opportunity, because this is now GMRS, you can legally remove the antenna, get rid of this stubby one, and increase your range and reception with the larger one. Really great idea. What I don't really like, but I totally understand, is that they now have a potentially proprietary speaker mic port. Now, I did compare this to a couple of ICOMs, a few different Motorola's, and my Bendix King BK Technologies, and none of them match it. I'm sure it matches something out there in the industry. It could potentially match the one that is on the ICOM SAT radio, the iSat 100, but I'm not sure about that. They no longer provide you with the really cool carabiner. They do still provide you with a great quality lanyard, and now it has a belt clip. I really like that. I did like the carabiner on the back, but I think I like this belt clip better. Really stout, really strong. It's not flimsy and plastic. It's not going to break off. You still have your charging port, which is USB-C. Let's turn that guy back off. And overall, it has a really nice feel. It is mildly heavier, but it's got a lot more punch to it too. So I'm impressed, but there are a few head scratchers. But like they say, push your limits.